Swimming!
Do you know what it's called?
Swimming stuff!
Blizzard Beach.
Beach.
Pardon? Oh.
Beach.
Blizzard.
Beach.
Where? Look at me.
Blizzard Beach.
I get a good feeling, yeah. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. I get a good feeling, yeah.
Oh, I'm full from my breakfast. We had sizzler this morning again. I say again, we've only had it once this holiday. It's not like it used to be. We've only had sizzler twice. We used to have it like all the time before, didn't we, years ago?
We haven't really had anything.
We hadn't ate out.
No, yeah, but we haven't really had anything at the villa either.
No, because we hadn't really had breakfast. It's only the kids that have had breakfast.
Don't know about breakfast, right? Yes, mate.
It has gone up though, definitely gone up. But that's probably because there isn't as many sizzlers around now. Look at the blisters, Daddy.
Mom.
I've got 10 legs. 10 ankles.
White kangaroos.
Every time we've been, it's only been 10 till 5.
One right here and one right there.
That is the handle only? The
Yes,
handle?
it is, don't move. Just so it floats and it doesn't sink.
You can extend
No.
it. Well, this can float.
So it floats so it doesn't sink to the bottom. Thank you. Oh, there's another one asking if the handle extends. I said, no, it's just so it floats. Alex is with you. There she is, Carl.
Yeah.
Are you going on it?
Yeah, yeah. That's high, that in here.
You want it though, don't you?
Yes, yeah, I've done it, yeah, definitely. But I don't want to go there. That is high, isn't it? You've done it?
No.
Would you do it?
No. Alex smashed his shin. I remember before he like kicked, you know, because you have to cross your legs. Well, he like kicked one leg on one foot on the shin, and he actually went to hospital when he come back, and he'd got a little hairline crack in his shin.
Yeah.
Didn't you, Alex? He kept on hurting you, so he went.
How do you crash your own leg?
Don't know that.
Breaking his own leg, yeah, kicking his own leg. We're going near the kids bit today because it's a good kids bit in here. Yeah.
That other one was good in the end.
I know, but this one's better.
Has it got its own kids slide?
It's got its own pool and stuff like that. Proper pool. It's good. You do realise you go like off that thing as well. Whoa!
Brilliant.
Whoa!
Hey.
You're dancing? We're going in this one. We're dancing, Carl. Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh! Oh no! Whoa! Woo! Oh. I didn't see where they went. Oh, they went down there. It's raining. I'm ready to go home. Home. I don't want to go back to work, but I'll go home. Are you ready to go home, Sophia? Yeah.
You want to go home?
To our house.
Or do you want to go back to all the house?
With Bertha. Should we get rid of Bertha? She's like, no. Like that.
I don't want to go home.
Okay.
I'm just stay here and we stop for the way.
Okay. We don't want to go home, we want to stay here until it stops raining. Well, it stopped raining a little bit now, but I'm not sure for how long. But it's a bit chilly, isn't it? Are you got chilly, Willie?
Nah, you will.
She's got a shaft on. It's a green one though. Green.
The red one's following the lines.
Shaft would have been pretty funny though.
It would have been, but you won't be getting home.
You want to scarcely check us.
Harper. Is your daddy silly? Is your daddy silly?
I'm going to roll my arm. I can't feel my flapping arm.
Which arm?
This one.
You were still tired.
Can't get the green one.
You just shook me your shoes for me, stop moving.
That's what you're wearing. Over there.
Dance, Harper.
Yeah, you can.
Dog McStuffin, Dog McStuffin. He's up there. Over here. Ooh, pretend it's cold, go. Oh! You like that? No.
Have you tried pretzel?
No.
No, right? Put salt on. No.
Salt.
Mummy, all my leaves, I want the food. I sew it nicely.
I need a bit of sauce with it.
You like
Is
it?
it a bit bland?
Just like bread, don't try it.
Hang on.
It's on.
Let me film man.
It's salty, that
Get
bit.
a
Have to
little
be
bit.
that close.
If you don't want to be salty, eat that bit.
Oh!
It's like bread.
Alright.
I don't get it.
I don't think. I thought it would taste something different.
But it was nice with that cheese on though. But it's nice with cheese on.
Definitely needs some kind of dip or some flavour to it. That means I've tried a pretzel,
Butterbeer,
butterbeer, frozen butterbeer,
champagne,
champagne, KFC,
KFC. Something else. What did it for last night?
we had KFC last night, wasn't it? Carl, what else have I tried? Or was it just 4? We've already got the 4.
Got 4 with it.
Okay.
4 things, that's amazing for me.
Try it.
I've tried it.
Right,
That's
good.
it. Cheers!
We really have.
There's a nibble.
It's not even a bite, that.
I didn't have nothing with salt on. It's a bit bland though.
Just bread.
It's a bit weird. What you bought? Why haven't you got anything to prove what you bought?
What have I bought?
I don't know, you've just been out. Oh, the rental thing, wouldn't you?
That's got salt there. That's what I got. Mouthful of salt.
Blech.
It's like it.
Catch it! You're supposed to catch it! Catch! Catch! Look! Kick it gently.
Oh, that's the better one,
Gently, gently.
That was a good kick.
Oh yeah, you want that one really. That's the better ball.
You got it. Good job.
Yes then.
Scar. I guess Scar.
I want it to be in captain.
I guess
I'll go for Scar.
I'm going for Crush.
Crush. Zach's still going for Crush. Even though we're parked in Scar. We're parked in Scar. We're in Scar. You still want to go for Crush? Not Scar? Oh, you're wrong then.
Alright, you guys, welcome aboard your village tramp. While we're motion, please do remain seated, keeping your hands, legs, arms, feet inside with that door securely closed. We're going to take you to Transportation Center. Then you'll be about a mile and a half away from the Magic Kingdom. And when you get there, go back behind and take those little safety signs.
I listen to Casey, I should use the live.
I'm walking back.
7 o'clock is our closing time. 11, 1:30.
I like way too much.
1:30 is the last train. The village was Scar. Your road number was 115. Star 115.
Good idea having characters in that lot, innit? After cat man, it doesn't make it separate.
You guys make this left-hand turn, if you look to the right-hand side, you're going to see a set of purple pavilions. These are your billets to village. These are where we're going to drop you off and pick you up at later on tonight. This is the only area to go to catch a village tramp, right there to your right-hand side. For everyone on the ground, please remain behind that yellow line until we come to our full
So I just said it's like me down here.
Once we have, let everybody exit before you go taking their spots.
You won't be coming back here for a while, Zach. Oh yeah, we will. Oh, sorry. No, it's alright. Are we monorailing it or are we ferrying it? The monorail will be easier back, won't it? So should we ferry it then?
Yeah.
Ferry it.
On the right.
Pardon?
Are you doing that thing where it's pressed?
Yeah, do you want to?
Yes.
Okay.
Are we doing in it?
We can go in it if you want. Yeah?
How does it do things?
Okay, should we try and find him?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not this fairy one.
No, okay.
See what she being there.
Get in the pram or you hold hands, Zach.
How are you?
Good, thanks. He was polite.
Yeah, real happy, yeah, I know.
What?
Real happy.
Wrong way, innit? That way, innit? Sophia! Come on, don't touch. This way. This way. It's not going near pots, darling, after what happened the other day. Oh, look, Alex.
You got one of them, haven't you?
Yeah. What is it? It's massive. We are not going to have any more room on the fridge. What are you doing? Are you eating that? Oh, that's Ace. The timer. Not that we ever cook. Not that we ever need it. The timer. Cooking.
After that, Mom.
Well, I've been trying to find it.
I don't know how much it is. Doesn't say how much it is.
And,
Doesn't say how much this is, Alex.
yeah.
Well, they say like pink and green on them.
What?
It tells you on the back.
The red.
Red.
Where's the red?
$9.95.
$10. It's a magnet too. It's a magnet too.
It is a magnet.
Let's get it. Oh, we can get it later. We know where it is then.
It's a magnet.
I thought that might sway him.
We'll get stuff for a different day, mate.
We'll get stuff next week. When we come next week, we'll get some.
I know, I'll get one of them next week as well.
See what's in it.
Don't you start like him.
So look,
Sorry,
pick one then. Don't just pick the first one you see, pick one.
we're not getting one.
Why?
We are not getting one. I'm sick of seeing animations. We are not getting one. We'll
That
get
one?
one next week. We are getting one next week,
Come
not
on then.
today.
No, we'll get one today.
Yeah.
Put that, please. You had it. Go had it. We'll get it next week. Go had it somewhere. Had it and we'll get it next week. Come on. Put it back. We are not getting it.
We've got one today. Wait a minute then.
You're a bad influence on him. Have you got enough ones there?
Can I have it in the bag, please?
You got all them ones.
Just keep looking at the time on the app.
Instead of the only other thing we could do is use the fast pass for it.
Yeah.
No.
Thank you.
Wishes.
Ready for cows or Sophia then? Did he open that one?
Don't look at me like that, yo.
Well, shall I open it? You pull it out.
Don't you?
I can't see.
Go on then. Right,
Quick.
Mama can see me. Take it out. You
Nobody
okay?
can see.
Go on then.
Whoa.
That's a cool one.
There's a zero top.
What's it say on the box?
The first one on the box, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, another one. Answer that.
No.
Not now.
No. It's
What's
a
that?
fell off.
If that comes off. That comes off. Leave that in the bag then.
Don't lose his hat.
No,
then.
let's leave that in the bag then. So don't lose the hat.
Let's put a hat
Come on then.
Let me see if cows are Sophia.
Oh yeah.
Did you get another one?
Did he get another one?
You're going to have to remortgage your house on buying one.
Bloody am. It's alright, but as soon as Zach opened it, can we get another one to see if we get another one of them? No. What? Alex is far from the patriotic type and wants to walk away from the flag retreat. I think I can feel a few specks of rain. Not sure.
I thought it was that.
I know it looks a bit cloudy. I have to go like this.
I know.
Because otherwise it just looks grey. All of it looks grey. It's in that bit, I think. It's in this little greeny bit.
That one or this one or the one further around?
I'm not sure. I think they'll all be in there. I think it'll all be the fast pass bit. It's definitely where you can sit down. Definitely.
So it must just be that back bit. But I thought Tinkerbell came right over here.
You Tinkerbell does come right over you there.
Not really. That's not
Yeah,
right
she
over your
does.
head.
Yes.
You're sat there, does that go over your head?
Pretty much. Yeah, it's like fake grass down there.
So when did the scab get?
Oh, they'll put signs up and that, won't they? They'll have like,
What are you planning?
thing is, they'll put machines out and that, I imagine. I don't think we can throw pennies in there.